Hey guys, I'm Dr. Rashmi. I'm a dermatologist practicing in Delhi, and today we are going to discuss about types of acne and treatment of acne. Before talking about acne, I want to request you all, if you all have already tried home remedies and over-the-counter medications for acne and you are still suffering from acne, then you must not wait any longer and go and visit your dermatologist today. So what are the types of acne? Acne is basically classified as non-inflammatory and inflammatory variants. So in non-inflammatory, the acne lesions are basically comedones and papules. Whereas in inflammatory variant, you can see different types of lesion like pus-filled lesion and thick lesion, which are very painful. So there are basically 4 types of lesions seen in acne. You can see comedones like you can see here. They can be a white head or they can be blackheads, and then there can be papules, which are nothing but red colored lesions as you can see in the picture, or there are pustules, which are red lesions surrounding erythema, and there is pustule yellowish colored deposition present there. Then there can be big fat lesion, which is called as nodule, like you can see here. They are very thick lesion, tender, and the problem with such lesion is that they are very prone for scarring, and these are the lesions which can be prevented by treatment. And you can practically, your dermatologist, by starting treatment on time, you can prevent chances of any scarring. And in case you already have existing scars, with the medication there can be reduction in the pigmentation. So these are the basic types of acne. Clinically we call it as grade 1, 2, 3, 4. Grade 1 where you see only comedones, and grade 2 where you see papules and erythema. Grade 2 you can also see pustules. Grade 3 you can see pustules and big fat lesion, nodules. And in grade 4 the predominant lesions are multiple nodules all over the face. So now what are the treatment options for acne? So when you visit your dermatologist is going to decide depending upon your acne grading and depending upon the pre-existing condition which you have, and it will also depend upon the which age group you are in. So according the treatment will be advised as per your disease situation and condition. So basically they can give you 2 types of medicine, which can be either topical, which is basically which you apply something on the face, or it could be systemic, which we call as oral medication, where you will be asked to pop in certain medications. So basically when you talk about topical medication, it can be basically from 4 classes. It can be retinoid based medication, where they can give you retin or retinoic acid cream based. So these are the creams which are basically very drying. So preferably if you apply a moisturizer before application of these medication, it will be very helpful. Then they can give you medications like antibiotic. Now amongst the antibiotic, you can be advised to apply something called as clindamycin or naproxen. Such medication can be advised to you. They can also advise you to take certain medications like azelaic acid, which not only helps in reducing the acne, but it also brings down the pigmentation. You can also be asked to apply medications like salicylic acid. They can give you face wash based on benzoyl peroxide or salicylic acid. So these are the basic topical medications which I explained: retinoic acid or clindamycin, naproxen, benzoyl peroxide or azelaic acid and salicylic acid. Now then you can also be advised to take certain oral medication. So if you have grade 1 acne, only topical medication would be enough. But in case you are suffering from grade 2 and above type of acne, then your doctor might advise you to go for certain oral medication. Now among oral medication, you can be advised to take certain oral antibiotic. Oral antibiotic, depending upon the antibiotic from which group they have advised you, minimum treatment could be 3 to 4 weeks, which you will have to take. And mind you, nothing is magical. The treatment response will not be seen as soon as you've started the medication or met your dermatologist. It will gonna take at least 4 to 6 weeks to settle down and show some result. Now apart from antibiotics, they can also advise you on certain medications depending upon if you have hormonal type of acne. This is an acne which is mostly seen in middle age, and the kind of lesion will be seen mainly on your chin area and fat lesions. So if your periods are irregular, you're suffering from PCOD, or there is certain hormonal irregularity, then they are going to advise you also to meet an endocrinologist, and accordingly the medications would be advised to you. You would be asked to take certain hormonal therapy, maybe OCP pills, or you can be asked to take certain medications like anti-androgen or spironolactone, which your dermatologist will guide you. Now there's another very beautiful class of drug which can be advised, which is vitamin A group of drug, which is isotretinoin. Now there are certain medication and guidelines to be followed when we advise this medication, and it must be taken under supervision of your dermatologist. So these are the basic drugs which your doctor is going to advise when you visit them for acne consult. Apart from that, if you also want to go for certain procedural treatment or looking for something more than this, then they might advise you certain light therapies or laser based therapies or chemical peels and other medication and other procedural treatment to take care of your acne. So if you are suffering from acne, please don't wait and go and meet your dermatologist today. Thank you.